Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 10A. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card or passes like loyalty, gift card and public transport. If you go to menu, you've got access to your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you would be able to enable NFC or some different settings, but unfortunately contactless setup is not available on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Next we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.